Our model for today is a 4-month-old Corgi, and his fur parents are one of the well-known athletes here in the country.
Woo!
Not in Japan, no.
In US.
In the US, I have 2 dogs. 2 German Shepherds. Yeah, they're crazy.
Really? But you really wanted a pet? Probably business.
Unexpected din. Pag pets kasi, it takes a lot of patience. Although the pros lang for pets, yung itsura nilang yan, maganda na eh. Unlike us, minimakeupan mo pa.
Ah, yeah.
Sila,
Ganyan na.